Sir, if you don't mind, can I request you for one of my favorite star,
Sure.
Sanjay Dutt?
Mhm.
Can I bring down his? Can I share my screen with his?
Yeah, sure, sure. Let's see. Even I haven't had a chance to look at it. It will be quite interesting, actually. He had a very interesting life. Excuse me.
Sir, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Now
Absolutely.
he has got his Mars and Venus in the 10th house of Leo.
Yes,
Rahu is in the 11th house. Rahu
yes.
is neither debilitated nor exalted,
Mhm.
and Sun is in the 9th house with Mercury
Yes,
forming Buddha Aditya.
yes.
Ketu in the 5th house.
Mhm.
So he has a separated child actually,
Yes, yes, yes.
and Saturn in the 2nd house. So it is a rebel for his from his father basically. Second house is
Mhm.
father.
Mhm.
Now coming to his Bhav Chalit.
Mhm.
In Chalit, still he has the Mars and the Venus in the 10th house,
Mhm. Mhm.
Sun and Mercury in the 9th house, Rahu in the 11th house,
Mhm.
Saturn in the 6th, Saturn in the 2nd, and
Mhm.
Ketu in the 5th house.
Right, 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 right. So let's can you come to the natal please? D1.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes,
Okay. No, he's an open book. What can we say? And if you see the Lagna degree is 9 degrees, and if you see the Moon degree, as I say, Moon is very powerful. Is one of the most powerful signs in his house.
yeah,
Well, is the
it is
Moon.
yeah, it is exalted, sir.
It exalted plus it is in a 0 1 degree. As I always say, any planets in its early degrees, let's
Yeah,
say 30 degrees, 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree,
yes, sir. It is
it
in the one
performs
degree.
amazing. It is performs amazing. So whenever he would have come into the dasha, any of the dasha, Mahadasha, Patantadra, Antardasha of either Venus or Moon, okay, he would have performed amazingly. And any of the dasha planet that is that is enemy of Moon, he will be suffering. So here is a very classic example. A good thing that you have brought up his chart. Now, if you see 8th house, the Sun will be coming in the 8th house in the transit. 8th house also has Rahu, and his
Right.
Mercury would also be there, right?
Yeah.
So, although there is a school of thought which says कि Sun doesn't get affected, मतलब Sun doesn't get Ashtam dosh, both Sun and Moon. There is a school of
Yeah.
thought which says Sun
Yeah.
and Moon doesn't get Ashtam dosh, but still, I think to predict about he will be having a very tough time ahead after 15th.
Sir, if you don't mind, can I close this chart? No.
Yeah, sure, absolutely.
Yes, sir.
So again, so it would be little. He needs to be a bit careful. So 8th house में जब भी हो रहा है और थोड़ा सा टफ रहेगा उसके लिए. थोड़ा हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन वगैरह भी हो सकता है, हेल्थ इश्यूज भी आ सकती है, एंड प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है उसके लिए. आई वुड एलैबोरेट मच, बट sudden problem will arise. Sudden problem. There could be also a problem with his past as well. Because whenever Sun will come into his 8th house, his 2nd house where Ketu is there will get activated. उसके past deeds और past karma से भी problem आ सकती है. अब इसको यहीं पर छोड़ देते हैं
जी,
क्योंकि ये फिर मतलब थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है उसको, थोड़ा सा क्या मेजर प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली. So his chart is very interesting, and it's very interesting to know the Ketu in 5th, and therefore Ketu in 5th is again childhood and his own children. I don't does he have any children? Ketu को थोड़ा सा वहां पर भी दिक्कत करता है, वो ऑब्स्टिकल क्रिएट करता है अपने चिल्ड्रन से. उसके बाद कभी कभी केतु अगर यहाँ प्लेस्ड हो तो एडॉप्शन वगैरह भी कभी चांस करा देता है. Actually, adoption or
sir, it is such a sir. I will tell you, it is astrology is such a beautiful subject.
yes.
Now, that day we had Suman who was in live with us. You spoke about Ketu, and you had mentioned about it. It is connected with the maternal side.
Absolutely.
Okay. Sanjay Dutt is having Ketu in his 5th house.
Correct.
His daughter has been adopted by her grandparents from her mother's side.
Absolutely. Even I shouldn't be saying this, but when Ketu happens in 5th house, your birth also becomes a little question mark. Father's position becomes under scrutiny. That is again one needs to understand. Ketu in 5th. So that is going to. So and if you look at, I think one of the best thing that I've saw is his moon, because his moon is right now is exalted, as well as it's in a very good degree. So obviously he has a certain affiliations to media and all that stuff, and it's very Now, another thing you would have seen is his Mercury and Venus coming together in 10th. Now, what happens is Mercury and Venus gives you a lot of communication strength, as well as glamour industry ke taraf bhagna, addiction. And Mercury and Venus also gives you substance abuse. And since it is 10th, the person who has this will always get caught. They always get caught. And his father, which is a Karaka of 10th house, father का 10th house, तो वहां पर आप उसके पिताजी को भी पीड़ा पहुंचती है इस हरकतों से.
Sir, sorry, just isn't it like Krishna Kanhaiya? Anytime he does the little bit of naughty things, he gets caught.
Yeah. He will do, especially substance abuse, because what happens is Mercury and Venus. What happens is let's understand this very logical way. Just give me a moment, please. Just understand logical way. Mercury is a prince in the planet hierarchy. He is the most loving and thoda bigada hua child. Okay. Venus is the guru of Rakshasas. Unlike Jupiter, Venus is very lenient. He says जाओ खाओ पियो ऐश करो. यहाँ पर Mercury जब भी आता है अनकंट्रोलेबल हो जाता है, इसीलिए प्रॉब्लम है. और क्योंकि यहाँ पर Venus है, प्रॉब्लम यह है कि उनको अपने मदर्स की तरफ से स्ट्रिक्टनेस की कमी रही होगी आजीवन, जो चीज चाहिए, क्योंकि वीनस इज ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंट द फीमेल प्लैनेट, फीमेल पार्ट. उनको अपने सिस्टर, उनको अपने मदर वहां से इतना ज्यादा प्यार मोहब्बत मिला होगा कि वो फिर आदमी बिगड़ने के कारागार में चला जाता है, बिकॉज वीनस इज मर्करी. एंड अनदर थिंग दैट इज ग्रेट अबाउट हिज चार्ट, इफ यू सी हिज फादर्स, सूर्य और मंगल उनके 9th हाउस में है, और जो उनके अब ध्यान से देखिएगा, राहु उनके 7th हाउस यानी चंद्रमा को देख रहे हैं, और चंद्रमा जो है 7th हाउस को देख रहा है, 7th लॉर्ड 9 में बैठा हुआ है, 9 में या 10 में है. सो यहां पर पॉलिटिकल कनेक्शन आता है, लेट आता है, लेकिन एक इशू भी आता है यहां पर, क्योंकि मार्स वहां पर कहीं ना कहीं बैठा हुआ है. मार्स के ऊपर शायद दृष्टि आ रही है राहु की. यहां पर एक वायलेंस भी बहुत फेस करना पड़ता है पिताजी को ड्यूरिंग अ पॉलिटिकल करियर। आई थिंक कुछ अटेम्प्ट वगैरह भी उनके पास हुआ था, इधर फिजिकली कोई पत्थर वत्थर भी हुआ, ऐसा पता नहीं मेरे को, आई डोंट हैव द डिटेल। तो यहाँ पर और एंड भी वायलेंट होता है, काफी इजी स्मूथ ट्रांजिशन नहीं होता टू अदर लाइफ। तो यहाँ पर कुछ चीजें हैं अच्छी। तो अभी अगर हम देखें करंट पोजीशन पे थोड़ी दिक्कतें आएंगी उनको। So he needs to be careful. That's what we can say. And if we can go for a रौद्र मंत्र, शिव जी के पास चले जाए या रौद्र के पास चले जाए, रुद्राभिषेक वगैरह कर ले, रुद्राक्ष पहन ले अच्छे क्वालिटी का, whatever, he may get out of it, but यह महीना उनके लिए बड़ा डेंजर है, बहुत सारी दिक्कतें आएंगी। So, अच्छा चार्ट है, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग चार्ट। और यहाँ पर अगर हम वीनस देखें तो कहीं ना कहीं वीनस के साथ मरकरी बैठा हुआ है, अनकंट्रोलेबल है, और मरकरी के साथ चंद्रमा का बहुत अच्छा रिलेशनशिप नहीं रहा है, इसीलिए शायद उनकी सिस्टर जो है उतना ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड में नहीं आई है। और उनकी सिस्टर करंट अवस्था में अगर हम देखें तो उनके सिस्टर जो है, जो 7th हाउस में है, एक मार्का उस पे है। सो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि उनके सिस्टर के साथ उनका रिलेशन अभी सिस्टर वुड बी वेरी इल राइट नाउ, इट इज पॉसिबल, उनका हेल्थ ठीक नहीं होगा और उनका रिलेशन इस वक्त बहुत अच्छा हम कह नहीं सकते, बहुत ज्यादा सपोर्ट मिल रहा होगा। और केतु का एक, चंद्रमा का देखिए एक बहुत ही प्यारा चीज भी है। चंद्रमा जब 7th हाउस में होता है, चंद्रमा जब आपका 7th हाउस में होता है, एक्सॉल्टेड स्टेट में होता है, लेकिन 0-1 डिग्री पे होता है और आसपास उसकी केतु भी घूम रहा है। तो यहाँ पर चंद्रमा जो है कई बार 2 मैरिज 3 मैरिज ये सब भी करा देता है, ब्रोकन रिलेशनशिप भी करा देता है काफी सारे, ये भी एक इशू है। और हम अगर देखें तो क्योंकि चंद्रमा पर राहु का 7, 8, 9th दृष्टि आ रहा है शायद चंद्रमा पर, तो यहाँ पर क्योंकि राहु जिस जगह पे बैठा हो और तो यहाँ पर जो एंड ऑफ मदर होगी वो राहु एफ्लिक्शन से ही प्रॉब्लम आएगा। राहु एफ्लिक्शन इज डेडली डिजीजेस and diseases related.
She was in US when she expired.
Exactly. So again, Rahu is a traveler, and यहाँ पर because 7th house में है, तो यहाँ पर reproductive organs में कैंसर वैंसर दे देता है राहु, so ovarian cancer, something like that. So यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं, we can go deeper and deeper, but it's a very interesting chart. But it's just that if there is somebody who can advise him, I'm sure his astrologer would have advised him to be careful at this point. So I believe
because he does the Rudra Puja, as I know. He is always he is a fan of Shiva.
So that is good for him, Rudra Abhishek. But then again, kind of affliction यहाँ पर हो रहा है. So hopefully things would be okay for him. But ये एक महीना need to be very careful. 15th of July तक you need to be very very careful. Especially जब आपका केतु का एक केतु जब रिलेशन बना रहा है इन सब चीजों के साथ, so यहाँ पर एक इशू देखना पड़ेगा हमें. So as we were talking about sun, another interesting fact that I want to share about the sun. Sun तो यहाँ पर एफ्लिक्शन आ ही रहा है, और एक चीज और भी है कि क्योंकि अभी सारा कुछ जो प्लैनेट्स हैं वो राहु केतु के एक्सिस में है। और एक चीज और मैं आपको बताऊं कि एक देयर इज अ कांसेप्ट ऑफ सोलर साइकिल,